Jazzy! Jazzy!
Oh, hey.
Hey, so I need some help recording something.
What?
So I did this commercial and it was fine, but now they want me to record it again.
Why?
They said that they wanted it to be more urban.
Urban?
Yeah.
Urban?
Yeah, I don't know. So like, can you help me out with it around that?
Sure. What kind of commercial is it?
It's just like a toothpaste commercial.
An urban toothpaste commercial? Let me see what you did before.
Okay. Minty, fresh, and always clean.
That's so cute.
Oh my gosh, thank you.
But it's not urban, right?
I mean, I guess.
So, urban. Was there any more descriptions? Like who you are? Like what you do? Not just urban.
Just urban.
Urban lady?
I mean, I'm assuming.
I think we need to look this up.
Okay, cool. Denoting or relating to popular dance music associated.
Oh, they want you to dance. Like dance with it. Like say it while you're dancing.
Minty, fresh, and always clean. Yeah. Minty, fresh, and always clean. It's like a, what? Minty, fresh, and always clean. Hey, ho. A little, I don't have much. So like, it's my hip. Minty fresh, always clean. Yeah, that's good. It's good. That works. Okay, maybe not. Do you have another?
Let me look up another definition. The culture, which is sometimes a euphemism for African American culture. They want you to be more black.
More black?
Yeah, more black. But we got this. You know what? I get it. I did a voiceover and I had to say something like, "Oh, thanks, doctor." And they were like, "Make it more sassy." And then I did, and then they were like, "More like you, but sassy." And I was like, they don't know me, but I think I get what they want here. And so I had to be like, more black.
More black. Okay. I think I know what that means.
Well, you know what? Let's just try everything out. Everything from like the color purple to Boys in the Hood.
Did you book it? Oh, wait.
I didn't book it. However, eventually the dead inside feeling went away.
Okay, all right. Because I feel it now, but if it goes away.
Maybe something like all's my life I had to fight.
Cool. Minty, fresh, and always clean.
Okay. I mean, you took the note, which is really cool, but it just, it just seems a little off. Maybe make it a little happier color purple, which I don't know. I feel like the color purple wasn't happy.
Like when she left and was on the back of that wagon thing. Minty, fresh, always clean. Nope, I'm not leaving. Okay.
Do you really need this job?
My soul is telling me no, but my landlord is telling me yes.
So, you need to eat.
Yeah, and unemployment checks stopped coming in this week. So, yeah, I think I need this job.
I've got to get this job! Right. You know what? Let's think outside the box. Let's go Black Panther. Come on, what's blacker than Black Panther, right?
How? Minty. Nope, that's Jamaican.
That is pretty Jamaican.
That's very Jamaican. Okay. Minty fresh and always clean.
Real close. Minty fresh and always clean.
Okay, I'm gonna add some joy. Minty fresh and always clean.
Wakanda forever.
Wakanda forever. Wakanda forever. Minty fresh and always clean.
They're not angry in Wakanda.
I thought, okay. Minty fresh and always clean.
Yes, remember, these people weren't colonized, so.
I have no idea what that life is like. I can't, like.
They have positive thoughts about their skin complexions, and the different complexions don't mean anything. And I guess there's no such thing as urban there.
Yeah, no, they just are. That sounds so nice.
To just be black because you are black.
We're black.
We're not black enough for a toothpaste commercial.
We're gonna take all that rage, bottle it deep down inside.
Yes, minty fresh and always clean.
Minty fresh and always clean.
There we go.
Okay, fantastic. Okay, so that one's good. What else? Minty fresh. Nope, I don't know how to do Obama, I guess. Oh. Minty fresh. And minty fresh. Oh. And always clean.
Real close. Oh, minty fresh and always clean.
Ooh.
Thanks.
Minty fresh and always clean.
Okay. Keep that in our pocket for maybe something else. You know what? Let's just put a lot of punctuation in there. Minty fresh and always clean.
Minty fresh and always clean.
Always.
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 How big is this W?
It's like 2 notches bigger than capital W. Like not always or always. It's always.
Always.
Like pull it from the back of your head. Always.
Always.
Yeah, I think we're getting there. Minty fresh and always clean.
Minty fresh and always clean.
And yeah, do a pop with it.
I never knew how to do that.
Just like, you know.
Nope. Don't laugh. Nope.
Like you just drank your first like sip of some really tart lemonade. It's like a snap, but like in your mouth. Add a snap. This is all I'm getting. Everything has a punctuation. Do it with me.
Minty fresh and always clean.
Yes, clap. Minty fresh and always clean.
Minty fresh and always clean.
Yeah.
Minty fresh and always clean.
It's not okay.
Oh, this feels disrespectful. Okay, I mean, I gave it all I got. Well, I think it's okay.
Yeah. It's urban. It's popular. You're literally popping your lips.
I think it's as good as it's gonna get. I think it's okay. I think I got this. Thank you so much for helping me. I know this is yeah, thank you. I got this.
Girl, you didn't go to Harvard for nothing, right?